alongside with Jesse the Body Ventura. And tonight, we have a special match with a new signee happening. And we don't even know who the hell he's fighting. And we don't even know who the signee is gonna be. What do you think of this, Jesse? Listen to me, McMahon. I know everything. I know who's coming. I know, but I don't really know who's fighting. So we're gonna have to find out the fighting part. But I know who's signing. I don't know. I'm really confused too, by the way. Well, Jesse, keep on. Just stay back here and think about everything. But meanwhile, let's take you to Mean Gene Okerlund and the ring announcements to get you a little more forward to see what the hell's going on here tonight. Come on, Jess. Hello, I am Mean Gene Okerlund, and I'm here introducing to you tonight's matchup. And we have our first contract signing here to join Playtime Wrestling Federation, and he's going to have a matchup tonight. So, let me introduce you to Bobby Heenan. Bobby Heenan, what are you doing here? Listen to me now. I got something to say. You know, the Heenan family's getting expanded. That's right. And let me show you that the newest member here coming down the aisle. Here we have. Let's see. What's this? King Harley Race here, talking to Bobby in the corner about something. Oh my God, I don't exactly know what they mean, but oh my God, but he's on his way right now. Who's this? The Nature Boy, Ric Flair. Woo! Oh my goodness gracious, Bobby Heenan holding Harley Race back for some reason. I don't understand why. Alright, tonight's matchup. For some reason, the Heenan family has been expanded, but we got something. What are you talking about? Oh my God. What's this? I don't understand what's happening here. Mean Gene's going talking with the referee. Look at this. Bobby Heenan, look at this, trying to push Ric Flair back to the other corner away from Harley Race. Does not want to have him. Oh, Harley Race trying to get over there, pushing him back. Oh my God, what's this? Now he's going to Mean Gene, whispering in his ear something. Oh my God, the referee, everything's all happening here. Oh my God, goodness gracious. Well, I just gotten the word here. Tonight's matchup's gonna be the Nature Boy Ric Flair against Harley Race. Wow, Mean Gene is puzzled here. He doesn't even know which way to get out of here. Finally finds his way out. There's Bobby Heenan here. We got two men. These are two men from the Heenan family fighting against each other. Well, they have some really history, some past rivalry going on here, unsettled business that they want to take care of here tonight. Bobby Heenan trying to put these guys and separate the two for now before the official ring matchup happens. Wow, we'll have to have some words from Bobby Heenan after this match to exactly see what's exactly happening. Oh my God. Wow. Well, here we go. Look at this. These two guys looking at each other. Ric Flair and Harley Race. Wow. What history these guys got against each other. Referee here. Ready to see everything's fine. Ready to start this signal for the ring bell to start the match. Ding, 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 ding. Here they go. Whoa, Harley Race now. Look at this. Shot. Ric Flair goes down. Oh my God, Ric Flair comes up from behind. Slips on and chokes on it. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, gets the ropes down. Look at this. Big back body drop. Ric Flair. Woo! picking him up to the corner. He's gonna set him up here. What's he gonna do? Yes, he's got his arm. He's gonna set him up for an Irish whip. To the corner. Oh, Ric Flair with an elbow. Really? Harley Race goes down. Referee can't believe this new techniques of Ric Flair. What are you doing? Where did you learn all this stuff? Don't worry about me. It's all 2000 stuff. Well, referee just getting out of the way, trying to understand what's going on here. Ric Flair picking it all up because he's in a front face headlock. Picking him up. Look at this Harley Race now with the power. Oh my God, Harley. Oh, the stomp to the side of the chest and back there. Oh, Ric Flair didn't like that whatsoever. Oh my God, Bobby Heenan here on the apron. Jesus Christ. You guys gotta shut. No, Bobby, don't worry, it's all fine. Come on. There's Ric Flair from behind. What's he doing? Oh, low blow. Ric Flair, the dirtiest player in the game. Oh, he just got Harley Race. The lowest blow. That's what he does all the time. Look at this, he's going for the cover. Referee, trying to get back at the position here. 1, 2, Harley Race. The veteran instinctive power that he's got. He kicked out of there. This is really pissed off now. It's going for Hunt. Oh my God. Referee, trying to get out of the way. Everything. Oh my God. There's a Harley Race. Back body drop. There's this Harley Race is like, hey, I'll show you all who the hell the real king and everything and all that. Oh my God, what's this Harley Race? He's coming outside. He's coming out of the ring, bro. He's climbing to the top. Oh my God. What's he doing here? Harley Race to the top. Here he goes. Oh, with a headbutt right to the sternum area. He's going for the cover. He's touching him. Grabbing the back of the head. Very weird. Trying to look at the shoulder. Here he goes. 1, 2. Look at this. Bobby the Brain Heenan grabbed the feet and dragged it to him. Harley Race is like, what the hell are you doing? Why? No. I'm sorry. I'm just trying something. You guys are all Heenan family, guys. What the hell's the matter? What the hell's going on? Look at this. Oh, Ric Flair from behind. Oh, roll up. Trying to get it. Oh, one count. Go on here. Oh my God. Ric Flair now. Oh, wow. You didn't really get on it. Oh. Referee. He's really out of position here. There's Ric Flair setting him up. Ric Flair going against the ropes. Oh, he just gave him the knee to the damn chest. Going for the cover. Sorry about that. We had a little technical glitch here from the 5G technical network of Rogers network. A little delay. So look at this. The referee doesn't nothing. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at Harley Race here. Trying to pick him up. Oh my God, he's got him. What is this? Harley Race. Get Ric Flair into the headlock. There it is, the headlock of Flair. Oh my. What's he gonna do? He's gonna grab his leg. Do the cradle suplex. Ow! Oh my God. What's this? Dude, it is. Oh my God, that's Harley Race finishing maneuver if I've ever seen one. Okay, referee, 1, 2. Oh, Ric Flair with all this power and everything. Yeah. This Ric Flair now. Beat the shit out of him. What the hell, Ric Flair? These guys are crazy. Get this Bobby Heenan on the apron going. Oh no. Relax, man. I'll tell ya. No, you relax. Get it down. Wow. This, give him some kicks, shots, stomps, and everything. All over the place. Harley got it. He's beatings. Look at this. Ric Flair. Ric Flair. He's gonna go. He's grabbing the ropes. What's he gonna do? Oh my God. He's going up. He's going out. And he's going up to the top. What's this? Harley's He's climbing up. He's getting up. Well, Ric Flair's gonna have to. Yes, he's got him. He's got him from the top rope. Oh, slams him. Oh, this one, two. Oh, kick out. Unbelievable. This is just something. That's what's happening here. This is. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God. Wow. Harley Race and King Ric Flair. Wow. What's he doing now? He's throwing him out. He's throwing him out of the ring. Oh, Bobby Heenan here. Oh, out there trying to consult him. Oh my God. What is this? Oh my God. What is this? We got chairs. We got tables. Everything's kind of been folded up all around here. Harley Race. Wondering what the hell. He's coming out here. He's going. Ric Flair from the back. He's got him in the head. Ow! Just smashed him into the steel turnbuckle. Into the steel post. He's talking to Bobby now. Oh my God. Really? Oh my God. Oh my God. This Ric Flair. What's his name? Oh my God, I don't even know nothing anymore. King Harley Race has got Ric Flair turning him around. Oh my God, he's a bloody mess. Really? From that steel post shot. Oh my God. Look at this. He's got him with a shot. Tell him, Bobby, get out of here. You get to stay away. Oh, what's he doing now? He's setting up the table here. What is this all about? He's grabbing Ric Flair here, setting him up on the table. Now he's going up to the ropes. What is this? He's trying to go. Oh my God. Look at this, Bobby. He's over here. Pull him up. Oh my God, the table. Ah! Oh my God, everything got kind of all out of order. But King Harley Race just broke his sternum like he did in Saturday night's main event. It doesn't matter because Ric Flair is back. What's he doing? He's throwing him into the ring. Oh my God. What's he doing? He's just throwing him into the ring. It's a bloody fest. He's taking him down. Oh, what's this? Ric Flair. What's he doing? Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. He's turning his feet around. He's got it all set up. Oh my God. No way. Ah! He snapped it too much, but he still has it hooked up. Here it is. He's hooking it up. Oh my God. There it is. What's this? Bobby is coming in here. He's telling him no. All the referees trying to figure out what's going on. Oh my God. Ric Flair bleeding and just really wants to win. The referee's asking for Bobby. Bobby's turning him back to the corner. Telling him no. Don't let go. Oh my God, he's going back. No. It's this. Everything is all a mess here. I don't understand what's happening here. Bobby the Heenan. He just stopped the match. Right in the middle of the windfall. What the hell? Really? He's telling him. There's all kinds of blood all over the place. He's telling him something in his ear. Oh my God. It's all the referee here. Ding, ding, ding. Oh my goodness, really? We don't know what the bell means right now. These guys are still trying to get at each other, but Bobby is trying to get in between them. Separate them off. Oh my God, what's happening here, really? Jesus Christ sakes, oh my God. Wow, everything's all out of position. We got Mean Gene coming back in the ring. My goodness gracious, gee lordy morty. Let me see, Bobby Heenan, what have you have to say about this match? What's happening here? I don't understand anything. Can you explain yourself? Let me tell you, Mean Gene. You know, tonight we had the Heenan family got expanded. And yes, we had a match with these two rivalry guys that they had probably some prior history happening to each other, and they need to sell it to them. That's right! You are the whole prior champion, HWA 16 title champion. Woo! Yes, such a flying, limousine riding, kiss stealing, and all kinds of stuff. Look at this. You can't tell me anything. I'm the oldest. I'm the king. I'm the king. This guy can't say nothing. And you know what, Bobby? I've been here before this guy ever came, so don't tell me nothing. Wow, Bobby. Bobby, what do you got to say? Bob, well, you know, I can't believe these guys are really having... This is what it means about the Heenan family. You guys are competitive. They're hardworking. They want to really challenge each other. They want to do all kinds of stuff. That's right. They want to do all kinds of stuff. And I can't believe that I got a team like this. And we're going to go for all the champions. We got the crown right now with King Kong Bunny. We're going after all the rest of the championships. So you're going to watch and wait and see. That's all I got to say about Bobby Heenan and the family. Woo! Oh my God, goodness gracious, what the hell, this is a match or not even, or whatever the hell, a Heenan family demonstration that has happened here tonight. Wow, I'm Mean Gene Orgelin, and I don't know what will happen, but anyway, this is something new, and maybe there's always going to be something special that you never see ever see me, but that's it. Mean Gene Orgelin here from Playtime Wrestling Federation telling you thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe and everything, and hope you had a good night, and everything else.